Hi there, ladies and gentlemen. It's me, Dr. Donna. Today I'm going to show you the amount of time it takes for me to create content. As you can see in the upper right corner of the screen for my phone, the time is now 11:32. I've gone inside of my gallery, and if you look at today, you can see that so far I have posted 4 pieces of content on social media. Now I'm going to record everything, and when I get back, you'll see my gallery with all of my content and also the time it took to create that content. Okay, ladies and gentlemen, I am finished. As you can see, the clock on my phone in the right-hand corner says 11:51. Now let's go to my gallery. As you can see, if you look to the left of Monday, that is all of the content I created in 18, 19 minutes, somewhere around there. This final screenshot that I'm going to show you is the notes that I take and I use to film some of the video footage. I'm Dr. Donna, and this has been content creation. I'll see you guys next time. Adios.